Welcome back, my multiplication magicians. Ready to learn a fun and easy way to multiply by 9 using just your hands? That's right. No calculators, no pencils, just these 10 fingers. This trick will blow your mind and make multiplying by 9 super simple. Let's get started. First, hold your hands out in front of you, palms facing you, like this. Now, let's say you want to multiply 9 by 3. Here's the trick. Starting with your left thumb, start counting. Count each finger until you reach the third one, and then fold that finger down. Now, here is where the magic happens. Look at the fingers to the left of the folded finger. These represent the tens place, and the fingers to the right represent the ones place. How many fingers are up on the left? 2. And on the right? 7. That means 9 times 3 equals 27. Let's do another one. Do it with me this time. What is 9 times 6? Let's do our finger trick to figure it out. We always count over the number that 9 is being multiplied by, so in this case, the 6. Starting at the far left, count over 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, put that finger down. Great. Now, let's count how many fingers are to the left and to the right of this finger. To the left, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to the right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 in the tens place and 4 in the ones place. So our answer is 54. Did you get the same answer? Let's do one more, then I'll have you try a few on your own. Let's figure out 9 times 5 using this finger technique. First, how many fingers do we need to count? That's right, 5. So, starting from our left thumb, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put down the pinky finger on your left hand. Now we just count the fingers still standing. To the left of the pinky, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. And to the right of the pinky, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. So, what's our answer? You got it. It's 45. Keep in mind, you only have 10 fingers, so this trick only works for the first 10 multiples of 9. Now, on your own, use this technique to find the answers to these equations. How'd you do? This is a great trick to figuring out multiples of 9, especially when you're first learning. When you start memorizing the 9's times table, you can use this trick to check your answers. Thanks for learning with me today. Practice more multiplication tables by visiting our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time on Learn This.